welcome back to my channel. This is going to be my maintenance vlog. So I'm gonna be doing my nails, my feet. This video is going to show everything I do to be a baddie. Keep watching this video because you will no longer need to spend $100+ for any of these services. You could do it yourself. So watch this video. I'm gonna put y'all on, and yeah, I can't wait for you guys to see the transformation. First things first is coffee. We got a lot going on today, so we gotta make sure we stay hydrated. We get our caffeine. So that's what I'm doing. I'm going to the fridge, get myself a little coffee. I'll show you guys how I make my coffee. I'm gonna put the ice first. So look how cute this cup is. Shut up, shut up. Awesome. Perfect, beautiful. This is the best creamer. I like to add this one, the caramel macchiato. So good, so good. I just eyeball it. I put like a tablespoon, and then we're gonna add the iced coffee. Oh my god, yes. We're gonna go to the kitchen and add the sweetener, so follow me. Syrup I like to use is the skinny syrup, 0 calorie. I'll put like 7 of those. Perfect. Cinnamon. And as you can tell, my favorite color is pink. It's the best color. Mixing it up. Yeah, all right. So now we got our drink and we're ready to do our beauty day. Oh, this right here is gonna get me through the whole beauty day. First things first, we're gonna start with our pedicure. That's one foot, and I recently got these like foot dividers. They're so cute.
I'm gonna show you guys how to do your toes.
Step 1, moisturize your greasy feet, babe. Okay, so you want to make sure you're using this tip to get in your cuticle, get everything like, if that makes sense, just like really smooth. I already got the cuticles lifted up, and now I'm gonna like scrape them out, I guess you could use that word, with this one. Okay, so the last things I do is I use my tweezers just to buff it out. And then I finish off with a dehydrator. Make sure that you get a dehydrator. This is what you want to use right before you paint your nails. That's good. I've been doing my own nails for a while, since high school, so it's been a few years. And with time you're gonna get better, because when you first do it, it's gonna be trash. Like, it's gonna be the worst nail set you've ever seen. But if you give yourself time and practice and you just keep working on it, you'll get better to the point where you do not need to go to the nail techs and spend a grip for no reason. I always love doing beauty days. I think beauty days is very important. Every woman should be pampering herself. It's just like therapy for me. I could just play some music and make myself beautiful. It's like the best compliment when people are like, oh my god, who did your nails? And it's like, I did them. Like, that's like the best. So I feel like it's okay if you're shitty in the beginning. As long as you work on it, you'll get better and you'll save so much money. If you're someone who's very creative and you like doing designs on your nails, you should definitely do your nails yourself, because you're like creating art on your fingers. Now I'm gonna take this so I can make my nails super square. That's the way I like my nails to be. After I put the top coat, I just use the file to straighten it so that it's nice and square. This is my favorite step. Okay, so now we're gonna get into the nails. This is my favorite part, so let's get straight into it. Let me first show you guys the nail inspo. Right now, tomorrow is Christmas Eve, so I'm trying to do like a holiday nail. I don't really do red nails, but I was thinking like maybe I'll do red, because red nails sometimes gives old lady, and I'm not trying to give old lady, but I feel like since it's the holidays, it could slide. And also I'm doing almond nails because I want to be classy. Square is my favorite, but I was thinking of doing either these holiday nails or these with the bow. So let's see if I can pull this off. Okay, keep watching. I actually just got this in the mail, so I'm so excited. It's so cute. Usually use my big drill, but it's so annoying to bring that whole thing out. So I've been thinking about getting like a rechargeable nail drill, and yeah, I have no regrets. It's just easier because you don't want to have like this big nail drill all the time, and I feel like this is so good. I just love it, and it's so cute. Like, so I'm going in with the pointy drill bit. It looks like that. And I'm gonna get all the cuticles of my nails. This is the most important step, so make sure you clean up your cuticles so that when you lay these nails down, they look seamless. The method of nails I do is called Gel X. So these are the nail shapes I'm gonna do today. It's almonds. And yeah, I get all my stuff from Amazon. I'm gonna link my Amazon storefront below so y'all can see all the supplies I get and do Gel X. Gel X is like the easiest way. If you're someone that's trying to be a DIY girly to save money on nails, Gel X. Do Gel X. It's not hard at all. It's beginner friendly. I used to do acrylic, and comparing the two, I just prefer Gel X, and my Gel X lasts 5 weeks. So the method I'm gonna show you is gonna make your nails last a really long time.